And that breaking news is in San Jose, where a huge fire is burning one of the oldest buildings in the city. Good evening, I'm Dan Ashley.
And I'm Carolyn Johnson. It's happening on South First in San Jose near 280. Let's get right to ABC 7 News reporter Lisa Amin Galician for the very latest. Lisa.
Carolyn, the fire started just before 9:30 tonight, and firefighters got here in just 4 minutes. Take a look behind me. When they arrived, though, they saw lots of flames and smoke coming out of every window of that building. Firefighters also had another major challenge to deal with. Power lines were down, so their attack wasn't immediate. Once the power was turned off, firefighters got to work fighting that fire from above and from the ground. They still don't want to go inside to check things out because there are several hot spots and the entire building is leaning to the right and could collapse at any minute.
Victorians, they have what we call balloon frame type of construction, so it allows the fire to actually travel through the walls. So if a fire started on the first floor, it can travel through the walls up into the second floor and into the attic space. So fire actually travels a lot faster in these structures than conventional structures.
And is that what you think happened?
Absolutely. And this particular structure is old. It's older. Again, we don't know what the fire load was on the second floor.
This is a very historic building. Faber's Cyclery was housed in the bottom floor for 101 years, and it just closed this past February. We spoke with the owner tonight, and he was out of town, but he said that he thought the last bike had been picked up just this morning. Faber's bills itself as the oldest continuously running bike shop in the U.S. It first opened at the corner of South First and Margaret in 1912. It was a bike store, repair shop, and a museum all in one. Back here live now, firefighters tell me no surrounding buildings have been evacuated, and this fire is now under control. But there is still some smoke coming from the top floor, and they're still worried about the building collapsing, and that's why people really should avoid this entire area for several more hours. Right now, South First is closed from East Reed to Virginia. Live in San Jose tonight, Lisa Amin Galician, ABC 7 News.